Can't really see nothing yet. And my friend's gonna, Eli, he's gonna try to do 180 and fall on purpose in front of these teenagers. Maybe hilarious. Oh. Are you alright, Eli? What happened, dude? You alright? I'm videoing this. Here, do a 180. Do it! Zoom out a little. Woohoo! So that. Can't see that. Can't see the license plate, sorry. Can't see that far. There he goes! Again? How many times are you gonna fall? How many times are you gonna fall? Car. License plate. No.
I'm gonna go around the block.
All right. I'm trying to cover their license plate. I can't see. Ooh, look at the sky. Beautiful. Shit. It's my house. Nice. Look at him. He's coming down. He's coming down. There he is. There's Eli. Coming down. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no. How did you even do that one?
I don't even know. My wheels are slippery.
Oh. Sorry. Alright, well, we'll post another video probably like once a week or twice a week or something like that. See you guys on the next video.